Debates of the ICC's political body are continuing here in The Hague. Friday will see the issue of cooperation discussed. South Africa has forced it onto the agenda after the court ordered an explanation about why the president of Sudan, Omar Al-Bashir, wasn't arrested and transferred to the ICC when he was on South African soil. The ICC says there should be no immunity for anyone it has indicted.
The ICC, in its attempt to perhaps flex its muscle, perhaps become more effective, may have lost focus on certain critical aspects, which are just as critical as its role. The issue of peace, the issue of stability.
The only people who have ever stood before ICC judges have been African. Ministers from the African continent say investigations must be opened up in countries like Afghanistan and Iraq. But other countries say that does not mean cooperation should be compromised.
Well, they have the obligation, so we all state parties have to urge the other state parties to cooperate.
South African officials have hinted at a possible exit from the ICC, and Kenya has said that if its concerns about the use of recanted evidence in the trial of Kenyan Deputy President William Ruto are not listened to seriously, then they will also leave the court. The problem the ICC faces is that the African nations will continue to question its validity until the powerful nations in the UN Security Council, like Russia, China and the US, are signed up members. The court itself is calling for this, but can do no more than try to persuade them to join. Parrock, SABC News, The Hague.